Today, I will introduce to you one of our factories for automatic packing line. In front of you is one of our factories. So let's go inside, have a look. This workshop is about 2,000 square meters. It's mainly for assembly. You can see inside all kinds of conveyor belt. Our main hero today is this packing line. Tomorrow we will have a factory acceptance test. Now workers are preparing for FAT. Let's have a look.
This is our automatic packaging machine.
So you can see from here to there, all this, the whole line is automatic packing line. This line is made of three main parts. The first part is for bag packing. This machine, it will packing the powder into the bags. And the second part is the cartoning, the cartoning, forming and packing. Third part is the robot. The robot will automatically pick up the bags and loading into the carton, and then will go out. Let's have a look. This machine is for bag packing. It will fill in the powders into the bag and then sealing. This station is the bag filling station. Manually put the bags, the unsealed bags into this station, and then the bags will pass to the next station, the bag opening. If the bag's not opened, they have a touch sensor, so it will not filling. Then this is the filling. The filling is accuracy can control into plus and minus 1%. This station is the silicone chip is for flap the powder on the mouth of bags. After sealing, the qualified bags will put on the conveyor belt, and this channel is for unqualified products. The bags will pass through the check waiter. This check waiter will check the weight of bags. If not on quality, then it will be rejected on this station. Then it's to the second part of this main machine, carton palleting. The bags will pass through this conveyor belt, and meantime, this part also working. Paper board will open automatically and then formed to a carton, then passed to the loading station. This is the loading station. You can see here is a robot. This robot will automatically pick up the bags and loading the bags into the cartonings. After that, the food cartonings will pass through another check waiter. This one. If the weight not qualified, so here is a rejecting station. After quality controlled, the unpacking cartoning with products will pass to the next station. Is the sealing station. This station will automatic sealing, and then the finished product will be put out. So this is the full process, our automatic production line.